Hi, my name is Maria Fontanals and I'm a faculty member at HV Studio. I came to HV Studio about 10 years ago. I took the summer intensive, and actually that summer really changed my life. I came back a year later to study the core, and now I feel very grateful and honored to be part of a faculty member. For me, theater represents the world, and actually Oscar Wilde said it in a quote that I really connect, and it says like this: I regard theater as the greatest of all art forms, the most immediate way in which a human being can share with another the sense of what it is to be a human being. For me, HV Studio represents all these values. It represents compassion, humanity, knowledge, connection, art, theater. It's my community, it's my artistic home, it's my refuge. Now that we're living in unprecedented times, we really need and ask for your help. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being part of the HB community. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.